Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be taking you on a tour of my recent trip from Mactan, Cebu to Bacolod via boat in the south of Cebu. We passed through several cities including Alcantara, Bato, and Sambuan, experiencing the boat trip, bus trip, car trip, and motorcycle trip. I'll also be sharing information about the ports in Cebu, the daily schedule, and the rates for both the bus and the boat trips. Fellow travelers, in case you missed my previous video on my trip from Bacolod to Cebu, you can check it out on my YouTube channel. It was an exciting adventure that took me to some of the most beautiful places in the Philippines. And now I'm back with another travel blog. This time, we're going from Mactan, Cebu to Bacolod via boat, passing through different cities and experiencing various modes of transportation. So buckle up and join me on this journey. If you're planning to take a boat trip from Cebu to Bacolod, there are several options available. These are different ways to travel from Cebu to Bacolod, and each option has its own schedule and frequency. If you prefer to take the boat, you can choose between two ports, the Escalante and Tabulan, with each having two trips per day. If you prefer to take the bus, you can take the route via Canlaon City with a daily departure from Cebu City at 5 a.m. and arrival at Bacolod City at 1 p.m. Another option is via Don Salvador, which has 4 trips per day, starting from 4:30 a.m. until 9 p.m. With these different options, you can choose the most convenient schedule that fits your travel plans. Meanwhile, the freight rates for vehicles from the north of Cebu to Escalante Port also vary depending on the size and type of the vehicle. The rates usually range from 1,000 to 3,000 pesos for cars and SUVs, and up to 8,000 pesos for trucks and buses. It's important to note that freight rates for boats may change without prior notice, so it's best to check with the shipping companies or the ports for updates. As for motorcycle and car fares, they usually follow a similar rate as a freight rate. With these details in mind, you can better plan your boat trip and choose the most convenient schedule for your trip. For the bus trip, there's buses available that can take you from Cebu City to Sambuan and Escalante. Series buses are a popular choice for many travelers with daily trips from both the south and north bus terminals in Cebu City. The trip from Cebu City to Sambuan can take around 3 to 4 hours, depending on traffic conditions, while the trip to Escalante may take around 6 to 7 hours. The Ceres bus terminal in South Cebu also offers trips to Toledo City, which is another gateway to Bacolod City. From the South Ceres bus terminal, you can take a bus or van that will bring you to Toledo City, which takes about 2 to 3 hours depending on traffic. Once you arrive in Toledo, you can take a ferry or a fast craft that will take you to San Carlos City and Negros Occidental. The ferry trip can take around 2 hours, while the fast craft only takes around 30 minutes. From San Carlos City, you can take a bus or van that will bring you to Bacolod City, which takes about 2 to 3 hours. The total travel time from Cebu City to Bacolod City via Toledo and San Carlos is around 6 to 8 hours depending on the mode of transportation and traffic conditions. The series bus fare from Cebu to Toledo is around 120 to 200 pesos, while the ferry or fast craft fare from Toledo to San Carlos is around 150 to 200 pesos. Again, freight rates vary depending on the shipping company and the type of cargo being transported. It's best to contact the shipping companies directly for the rates and other inquiries. If you're taking a car or motorcycle, there are also several routes available, including the Trans Central Highway and the South Road properties. On our trip, we passed through several cities, including Alcantara, Bato, and Sambuan. Alcantara is known for its beautiful beaches and stunning natural scenery. Bato is a small town famous for its historical landmarks, including the Baljuon Church and the Watchtower. Sambuan is another popular destination with its natural wonders like the Aguinad Falls and the Binalayan Falls. And that concludes our virtual tour of my recent trip from Mactan, Cebu to Bacolod via boat in the south of Cebu. This journey was truly an unforgettable experience with breathtaking views and the chance to explore several beautiful cities in the region. If you're planning a trip to the Philippines, I highly recommend adding this route to your itinerary. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more travel content. Thanks for watching!